Copy, Sergeant. Be advised in regards to the shots fired. Gonna be two perps. Wearing all black sweatsuit.
Jason Brzuszkiewicz's actions in New Smyrna Beach, Florida, were not only reckless, but also showed a complete disregard for safety and property. By deliberately driving his truck around a closed gate marked with a clear "Do Not Enter" sign to enter the ocean, he not only endangered himself, but also potentially others who may have been in the vicinity. His flippant attitude upon being arrested, making light of the situation with jokes like, "It's not my fault the truck don't surf," shows a lack of remorse and understanding of the seriousness of his actions. Such behavior demonstrates a blatant disregard for the law and the safety of himself and others, warranting appropriate legal consequences and potentially further evaluation of his judgment and decision-making abilities.
Old boy ran the ramp in Flagler, drove through water. Aaron's trying to run this DL and stuff right now. Tide's on his way out. That's allegedly his last name.
It's not my fault the truck don't serve. I thought it was a surf.
Yeah, but you shouldn't be driving on the beach when the gates are all closed.
I thought I was in England.
You thought you were in England? You're not in England.
Are we not in Kansas anymore?
No. Signal one or what?
Can I get in trouble for this?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Jail time if need be.
Really?
Yeah.
How much?
Huh?
How much?
It's a misdemeanor at this point.
Hey, you'll be able to make a phone call after
They'll
booking.
give you all that information out of the jail.
I didn't say anything about calling.
What am I being charged?
I'll explain to you in a minute.
Fantastic. That'll make the Facebook page today.
Jason Brzuszkiewicz, 49, was arrested and charged with failure to pay an access fee after he allegedly bypassed the closed beach access gate at New Beach. He was arrested and taken to the Volusia County Branch Jail on a $200 bond. Jail records show he was released the same day. According to jail records, Brzuszkiewicz had been arrested 2 days prior to the driving incident on a charge of defrauding an innkeeper under $1,000. He was released the same day.